earlier escort fighter. Apache. These are the early model Mustangs powered by the Allison V12 engine. They're being flown today by Steve Hendon and John Hendon.
That's the shot.
Excuse me, that's Steve Hinton and John Maloney. Correct that. Steve Hinton in the silver aircraft, John Maloney in the all-grab aircraft.
Yeah, I like that.
Now take off on the lead P-51B. P-51B. P-51D is being pulled by Chris Fahey. P-51D Mustang. Mustang just taken off, being flown by Mark Moody.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Lauren Nightingale, thank you very much. Thank you. We have the missing man formation here in honor of all our veterans. I'd like also to take the time to honor Walker Budson, who passed away last Tuesday at the age of 91. We dedicate this show and this missing man formation to him. P-51 Mustang A36. Formation. Yeah, baby. 10 aircraft. 4 different subtypes. Actually, 5 different subtypes, including the 2-seat trainer versions. We got the A36 Invader, the P-51A. In the lead, the 2 Allison-powered aircraft, Steve Hinton, John Maloney. The 3rd aircraft is the P-51B or Bravo model. Followed by 6 P-51Ds in the TF-51 or TP-51 2-seat. What almost looks like the Reno Air Races here, Ed. Nice tight turn they're doing, coming around. Looks like they're coming in low for a strafing run. Here we come. Check it out. The last time you saw this many Mustangs in formation at one time. Well, Ed Sprague has about 2.5 times the power that these guys do.
Well, that's a secret. Now you're not supposed to say that.
Yellow mic up a little bit. Another nice look now heading to the west. Steve Hinton, John Maloney flying the 2 Allison-powered aircraft. Followed by our Blue Nose P-51B.
Pulled by Robbie Patterson.
Aircraft today are being flown by Steve Hinton right over here past the tower. Listen to the sound of this. Woo! That's about 16,000 horsepower, ladies and gentlemen. But it was one of the finest. A nice look again as they turn heading west again. Steve Hinton in the lead in that A36 dive bomber. Followed by John Maloney in the P-51A and the markings of the China Burma India Theater. Cruise Air Commandos. Get a great look at all those wings on those aircraft that shine in the sun. Well, falling into formation now. In the west. Wow.
Last couple of days. They just finished the restoration on it, got it licensed, and been flying it in the last few days. It's the only one in the...
On the far runway, John Maloney has landed.
You'll notice the early model Mustangs, better visibility all the way around. From east to west, gear down, flaps down.
Like there's like this
And that's the sound of freedom, ladies and gentlemen. All those engines, 16,000 horsepower in that formation right there.
Another 51 coming in from the east to land. Landing gear extended. Touchdown.